Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete unwanted blank pages on your Microsoft Word document. So as you can see here on my Microsoft Word document, I have this unwanted blank page. So let's see how we can delete this blank page in few different ways. So the first way is directly, which seems straightforward also. Go to the blank page which you want to delete and then click anywhere on this blank page and then press backspace key. Okay, so just press backspace key, and if the page break is there, then it will disappear. You can see, so I just press backspace key and it disappeared. Now let's see the second way of deleting the blank page from your Microsoft Word document. For this, what you need to do, you just need to select your home tab here and then just select this option which says hidden symbols. So this option is for the hidden symbols, which is going to show you all the hidden symbols like spaces, paragraph breaks, section breaks, or page breaks, right? So as you can see, I can see a page break here. So in order to remove this page break, you just need to select the page break and then press your backspace key on your keyboard. So I'm going to press backspace key and then this page break is deleted, right? And after you are done, you can unselect this and then your extra hidden symbol will disappear, right? Now let's see the third way of deleting the unwanted blank page. So for that, what you need to do, you can select this option here, which is at the bottom left corner, which shows how many pages you have in your Microsoft Word document. So I'm going to select this, and you can see right now I have 4 pages here. So if I want to delete this page, which is the blank page, so I can just select this page and then I can just press on the delete key on my keyboard, which is going to delete this blank page. Or you can select once again and then press the backspace key, and this is also going to delete your unwanted blank page from your Word document. So these are the few different ways in which you can delete your unwanted blank pages from your Word document. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.